All right, it is 7:15 a.m. I'm about to meet up with Bernard at his studio, and we're supposed to link up with the Valley Boys for a Morning Motos event. There's a little early meetup there. It's LA. We're not familiar with that place really, but we're gonna go check it out. Hopefully all goes smooth. Should be a good time. You get to meet up and really see who the Valley Boys are. Ride with style, that's their whole thing. They're super cool, so roll with it. Alright, so waiting for the guys to gather their whatever belongings, thoughts on what they're doing, but we should roll out soon. Got here, the address that we got to meet up, what was it 950 3rd Street LA, but we don't see anybody. We don't know the area well, so we don't know if it's a ticket spot or a restaurant or a building, but there are 2 bikes right there.
We're looking for an event.
Oh yeah, what up dude? Yeah, so he knows where.
We're gonna meet up here with Chris, right? And then Jay and all them. And then we're gonna go to the tunnels, take photos, and then go to the event.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. This is the pre.
Yeah.
Event. This
So
is like the meetup before the event.
So where do you guys parked at? Just right.
One park right there. I park right here. It's like red, but usually they're chill about it. But you can park pretty much anywhere here.
All right, we'll pull up with you then.
Yeah. All right. Yeah, I parked right here next to the
Sick. All right.
I mean, you know,
this place is
to
fancy.
be expected.
Quiche, brother. God damn. It looked like a pizza. It's a quiche. I didn't know. I only heard of quiche, but I never actually had it. Where are they at? There's no one here. Yeah.
Like
The main heads. That's the Valley Boys.
they don't want to park close to us.
Nah, cause the freaking moving truck, dog, or whatever this is. Hustle trucks. Get the. Everyone message hustle trucks telling get the.
Damn, we didn't get them coming in.
Not even that. It's a freaking this truck. Oh, you just hustle. Just hustle. That's bad. Hold up.
Your truck's the store. What up? Oh yeah?
Sick. Well, this is where we are.
This truck's kind of in the way, but yeah.
The shade is giving shade.
Yeah, give it a shade. What's up?
My hands are sticky because of the gloves.
What up, Chris?
What up?
Sick, man. LA, huh?
You guys made it.
Y'all got buildings, I'll give you that.
We're gonna pull our ass deep though because everyone's fucking busy with work and stuff.
Yeah, as I told him, I was like, it's all throughout the week now that we hang out. So,
I watched the one video like, everyone's working, everyone's doing this.
yeah, they're just catching up to where it's like now they always meet up in the evening,
Yeah.
to where I was like, all right, well, I told him, I was like, that's not gonna make us stay in, like, we'll come out, so.
Plus we can just make a day out in LA.
Yeah. What up, brother? How are you?
Good, man.
Nah, man, nice to be in your guys' neck of the woods.
What's going on, man? What's good, bro? Yo, what's up? How you living?
Yeah,
Make a day out of it. I'm cool with it.
Oh shit, you guys made it all the way down here.
Yeah, I mean, it's cool.
Trip.
Yeah, the buildings are high, the roads are bumpy.
The roads are definitely bumpy.
Yeah, now I know why some people are like, oh, how did you daily the Ironhead and stuff? But it's because I knew my city and my surrounding cities.
Right.
But out here, it would have broken half because this thing was taking a beating, and I think it's comfy. So.
At least you got suspension.
Yeah, thank God, bro.
First of all, we had 2 breakdowns on the way here in 10 minutes. Yeah. And then we hit every bump. We're hardtail, so we hit every bump
Oh
on the way
my
down here.
God. Yeah, there's some massive ones, like craters.
What bike do you have?
I brought my Honda. I got a 600.
Yeah, damn, that's tough. Yeah, I was thinking about you guys too. I was like, maybe they're all used to it and stuff. That hurts.
No.
The end of the we act like everything's okay, but the end of the day we're like,
Oh yeah, you call off work the next day. Sick. Howdy.
Bernard, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, brother.
My God. What's up, man?
Yeah, there he is.
Got here early just so I can get some coffee.
Sweet.
Howdy.
Look at you, Blue.
You're next?
Oh, good looking.
What color are you gonna go with? Oh, you have to. You're next.
Yeah, you're next.
He said nah.
My wife will kill me.
it goes out 2 weeks.
Yeah. This is for cross country.
Can't reach out. You can go.
No, it's true. No, it is true though, man.
Be on
Like,
one side most of the time.
Your feet hit the floor? Your feet hit the floor?
he said no. Yeah, there you go.
All right.
You guys are so proud of
the same
them.
size.
You on your tippy toes too?
Not too bad.
You can still control it, yeah. You can still control it, yeah.
Wild.
You get used to it though. It's not like the first time you're like, oh shit, you kind of freak out. But
Stay on one leg.
the hang of it. That's crazy.
Which you like better, the other one? They're both like, they both have like a different,
And then you go on a long ride,
different
you
purpose.
get over like your hands.
It's done 40, right? Really shitty recording, but I'm trying my best. So pretty when there's no traffic. Here's the grease. It's an uphill and he has a jockey shift. I want to see how it's done. Does it? Look at these fucking nerds with bikes. I'm the nerd. That's sick. Bro, it's a lot harder to fucking record and riding. Like,
Yeah?
A lot harder than I thought.
You're good, bro. Dog, this is the famous bridge that the famous where every brand does their photo shoots here.
Man, I'm thinking like cramping.
Yeah, oh for sure, bro. I got you. Hold on, here. Give me your phone, sir, I got you. You on portrait?
Huh?
You on portrait mode, brother? You want me to look epic?
Whatever. Just take a
I
bunch.
think it would look fire, bro. Alright, 1, 2, 3. I'll do a couple candid, a couple chill, a couple what's he doing, a couple who is he. Let's go with this. How do fools not get rolled here? Oh yeah. A couple candids. Fire. Damn. That's fire.
Yeah, you too. How you feel about the blue hair?
Oh yeah, huh? This is the debut of the blue hair. Look at this. This is tight. Look at them go. Like car people really just pull up here and take pictures?
Yeah.
But like,
Look at these fucking nerds, bro. Like,
No, but
I have a bike. I'm a nerd.
how do they get away with it? Like traffic comes from this way, so cars just go around, or that's wild. Crazy. Take a photo. I'm gonna let them do their thing. They taking photos, making edits, doing all that. Pretty funny to see in the wild. I'm assuming this is yours.
Yeah.
You didn't just walk here. This is already here. Hello, man. Hi. If you're watching this, that's the homie Tyler. He lives local in LA and saw the flyer. I don't know who posted it, but he met up and we're here. We just got here, but I just want to look at this thing. This thing is tight. Alright, that's it. And then I'll do a walkthrough of all the bikes, but I'm just gonna kick it first.
I mean, like, it wasn't like.
So where are we?
Rolling dice number 6.
Rolling dice 9.
We're at Morning Moto. It's the first ever.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
I thought it was a
I
thing.
believe it's the first ever because they usually have car service, morning car services. But this is the first
Bike?
motorcycle event.
Really?
Yes.
Where did you learn all this?
I host it.
I'm Mr. Moto. Jason Moto. Oh, well, this is nice. Cool. Hella cool. Wow. There's gonna be a lot of motorcycles to look at. Is that in the flesh? What's up, brother? What up? Good, man. What up, bro? Aaron, nice to meet you. What up, bro? How you been?
What up, good?
Whew, just a little hot.
This dude gets mad at me.
Better late than never.
He fucking.
What up, G?
What up, bro? How to get this man out of bed? I'm here.
Honestly.
And the car pulls up next to me.
So. What's up, man? Why do you look like that? Are you enjoying the event?
Yes.
Nice, bro. We'll leave you alone now, okay? Very well then. Very well then. All right, one continuous clip, no cuts. Let's start it off. What is this?
Oh.
Like literally, do you know what it is?
Yeah.
Seriously, everyone knows.
Augusta.
Oh, MV Augusta. I've heard of these.
It's a Brembo.
And this? Royal Enfield. I don't know how to pronounce that. Very nice, very nice. And on to the next. No, why are you running, sir? Damn, there's a whole lineup. Alright, let's see.
Sick.
There's like fools that really be like covering ground, you can tell with these bikes, the adventure bikes.
Dude, they're so sick. The adventure bikes.
Yeah. Ain't nothing stopping them.
Every day's an adventure, bro.
Whoa, with you? Look at this.
Yeah, I saw
Sport
my
it.
motorcycle.
This is what people would be like, oh, this is your guys' style.
It's got the Soli seat.
Very nice, very nice. Very cool.
I dig.
I dig.
Alright, see you.
Oh, I like how he kept the stock risers. Like everyone always throws, like gets rid of them, but that's like, he kept them. That's dope.
Oh yeah, because it
Like,
hides their
literally
wiring.
factory risers.
Yeah, it hides their wiring.
It's so clean.
Yeah. See?
Oh.
Because they kept their, see, they sell their controls. That actually works to their advantage. Nice. Nice. Highway tag. What do we have here? What is this?
I was kind of going for.
Oh, Triumph. Oh, it's a Bonneville. How hot is it today, sir?
Ooh,
As
solid
balls.
96.
As
Oh,
balls.
yeah.
How hot is it? As balls. He's a Beamer boy. He's a bit. Wait, what?
It's a BMW.
Zios? Yo, I like these. Whatever this thing is, like the goggle thing that you put on the full face.
Oh yeah, that's sick. It's like a flush. I saw him wearing it too.
It just sits into it. Yeah, that's tight. I'll make one. Let's see what we have here. Yeah, all these are like.
That sounds like a street bike, but
It's like a cafe.
cafe street. Oh,
Oh, and a Hachiroku.
Hachiroku in the way.
Nice Sportster. We got ourselves a Yamaha 535, if I'm correct. Oh, who is this a-hole? Whack.
We got nothing else to see here. Keep going. Go around. Go
Whack.
around. Go around. There's nothing here. There's nothing here.
It's like they, bro, we already had that chance. Let's keep looking. We got ourselves a Harley Davidson. Whatever this is.
We got Urban. He made it.
This is Mervin. This is Mervin.
Mervin's.
This is the other universe Urban. This is Mervin's 996.
These are like track posters.
Imagine me trying to sit on that, brother. My feet wouldn't even reach the pegs. No, I wouldn't even reach that. Yeah, I would be on it. I'd fall off. You have a Yamaha V-Star. Sir.
Dylan.
Dylan's here. Everyone's here. What else do we have? What is this? What is it? Oh, dude. This is the same bike. Freaking 750 Super Sport, brother.
Some parts.
Oh, you need some. Look at this cafe, brother. Maybe in another universe, I have a haircut and I have this bike. And I'm like a foot taller. No, same height. Same height with a comb over. Yeah, very nice, very nice. No, but the dudes that always do be riding these cafes are slick, man. They look so sharp wherever they go.
Oh, hell yeah.
Yeah, they would never pull up.
Like the stance, bro.
Yeah, they would. This is tight too.
This is Tyler's?
Nah, I don't know who this is, but this is very cool. Look, they got the fever, brother. Slugging, slug thug.
Damn.
Slug thug.
Expose him.
Expose them. They're not overs. That's kidding now. Dang, that front wheel's nice and narrow too. Cool. I like it.
Sick.
This is tough, brother. I love swing arms, bro. Look how good it looks.
Oh, you got the SNS carb.
You don't play.
Not just the filter, you actually have the carb.
This is the one whose paint at Rolling Sands we wanted to see.
Yes, this one is fucking sick,
God
dude.
damn, you can swim in that.
Hard. The hardest. This is why I want to have it hard.
Look at this.
It's so sweet.
Look at that gas cap too.
Look at the swing arm.
Bro, he has a digital dash, brother. Let me see the swing arm. What are we looking
Thing
at?
has been tinkered with, bro. Like literally everything. Pay attention to
With a fin cover, whatever
It's
this
so
is.
clean, bro. You can like eat off it. Like literally. I'm gonna eat off it.
We're gonna get
I'm gonna
food.
get one. Yeah.
So we're gonna get food. We're
Alright.
gonna eat off of it and tell you how clean it really is. Wow, the Brembo. This was nasty with it with the O-lens and everything.
Match helmet, carbon fiber.
Damn.
Dude, there's a lot of work. Thin fucking cover.
Look at the freaking cables and everything. God damn.
This thing rides like a dream.
Oh, Tyler's leaving. Oh, everyone's leaving. Hold up. Yeah, because he has to go somewhere. Yeah? Oh. Oh, we're out? Alright. Are we gonna meet him up front?
Yo, if you guys end up going and having breakfast there, just let me know and I'll roll up there.
Alright, sounds good.
It's like on my street.
Yeah.
So,
You'll probably hear us too.
yeah. Tyler. Hey, who's on that CD? That's you? Dude, you bought it from my homie.
The guy in the
what's
band?
his name?
He's in the band, right?
Yeah, Juan. Oh, dude, I worked with Juan on set for like a couple years. He's like my boy. Yeah. He's got like some stripes and some other cool shit. Yeah, no, definitely. Yeah, he's a shit. He's got like a cool iron head and shit. Yeah, but when I saw you guys posting that bike, I was like, damn, that's like my boy. Yeah. Glad you're ripping it. That thing rolls. Oh yeah. All right. Later.
Sounds good, bro. Later.
Comida.
Looks like your bike, bro.
No, whose piece of shit bike is this?
I feel honestly, dog. It looks pretty sick.
Yeah, I picked it up at fucking Ross.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, so it looks good, and you look on the other side, it says Savage.
Yeah.
I got a
Taco Tuesday.
Damn, I'm up.
It's not even Tuesday, big doggy. It's Saturday.
Yeah, what you guys?
Top of the morning.
Top of the morning, Saturday.
You want to make a day out in LA?
I mean, not like yeah. I mean, F it.
It's 10 a.m. Let's go like around.
Yeah, we could be home by 1 or 2. Who cares?
Let's go eat.
Alright.
Yeah, let's go get food.
So hold up, Jason. Fuel up and it works.
The sounds that he uses. And there's some lo-fi shit.
This bike in our chat like 2 days ago.
That thing's bad,
Yeah, I
huh?
know. I sold it to him, bro.
Yeah, bro.
I literally sold it to him for
Well, I
$5.
actually built it, so.
What?
Built it. Yeah, I know. You built it. I sold it. That's how it works.
And Bernard painted it.
And Bernard
Yeah.
painted it.
Wild. And I own it. Later, guys.
You are the owner.
It cuts to
It just cuts.
Johnny's just checking out, see what he's gonna fix when it comes in. Get inspiration check.
What's that?
Get inspiration. My new friend Julie, she's on Yours or no? Yours is like.
Mine's pretty big, although I will say while I was driving today, I couldn't tell if my helmet
Yeah, I could. But it's like a.
because I still been seeing it. And then I moved over more to the passenger ambulance and moved over kind of wide.
So tell us about last night. Probably leaking oil somewhere.
It's hot, brother.
Yeah, how long is the wait?
2 hours, bro.
Yeah, so probably hit a McDonald's.
It's like a Supreme line.
Literally.
Hit up fucking fuck.
Yeah, the wait was too long. It was way too hot. It was like a 2-hour wait.